the engine cover. Just slide underneath, lift up, and slide it forward. Disconnect this connector right here. Just push down and slide it off. Disconnect this hose right here. Just push down and slide it back. There's a little lock on it. Just like that. There's another hose over here. And there's a lock on this one too, but it's a little bit harder to see. And you might be better off taking it off over here. There's a lock on the back right here. I'll have to show you when I take the hose off completely. And just take a straight blade screwdriver, and there's a little tab that you have to bend out of the way so that you can slide this up. Just slide it up like this. Oh, and there's a retainer right here. I'll take this retainer off. Just use a screwdriver. There you go. And this is how this little lock tab works right here. You just push this down and then you can slide it out. Just like that. It's the same on this side as well. We have to bend back the bracket that we bent and just take the screwdriver. Just get behind here and just bend out that tab a little bit. Now take the solenoid and put the hose on. Line this up. And just slide it over the bracket. It should click in place. And that's good. You can take this retainer and reattach that. And reattach the hose right here. Lock it down. Line this hose up over here. Click it on. And take the electrical connector. Line that up. Lock it down. And slide the cover back over. And lock it down.